Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kum shibentaban pelong ya ka Nongbah Shillong ka balat na ka Jingdih ki Nongdi Duma ka National Tobacco Control Program harengkat ka jingya lang bat ka Tobacco Control Project jong ka Negrims Hospital Shillong ha ka arpo kandai terik ukalalangkot arajar arpo kala pelong ya ka jingya tai ka bashisngi ha NHM Conference Hall DHS Shillong. Ka State Nodal Officer jong ka Ntcp ka Dr. Lana Lingdo haba keren ha kani ka jingya tai kala ito ba kani ka kanhon menta kala sedang ya ka jingya lapat ba syaki benta ba per jong ka Nongbah Shillong ban pensengutu ya ki Nongdi Duma ya ka jingma jong uduma bakta ya ka koi kakya tang ya ki badi Duma nrai kamtam wat ya ki to ki bom judi Duma ru. Kalai thoru bakat kum ka jingjurip hajalla meglaya kidang duna haduk kata-kata ki jaka babu ya ki jingmana bandi Duma hagi jaka pajba bat lalap ru ba ki jingyola jong ki khna ki badangret ban thiet yau Duma na ki dukan shnong ni hagi yau gi hat kadang don haduk menta menne.
We have instructed officially and given directions to all the educational institutions and all the health establishments to declare these institutions and establishments as tobacco free. And we have also done that by citing an example here in the health complex itself. We have declared this whole campus of ours as tobacco free. And many district hospitals also in the state, they have declared their health institutions as tobacco free. Okay? And we have hung signages. So you can see at the entrance of our office also we have hung signages and also the declaration as a tobacco free. And even Civil Hospital Shillong also now has been declared as a tobacco free health institution. And we are yet to handle now with the vendors outside Civil Hospital and all the vendors in the Shillong city for selling all the tobacco products openly without any signages in front. So now we are working on that issue by communicating, coordinating with the Shillong Municipal Board to have an agreement or to instruct all the vendors to hang signages of no sale of tobacco products, okay, to minors, that means below 18 years of age, and by minors below 18 years of age. Whoever is selling these tobacco products should always display these kind of signages and warnings in front of their shops, okay? And we expect a lot of support now from the Shillong Municipal Board. And in fact, we are also looking for more hoardings where we can display the acts, okay? So that we can, people will be aware of the laws that are already laid down. And now another challenge also we are facing, it's schools, okay? Now we are trying to visit each and every school because we want schools also to hang that signage, you know, no sale of tobacco products within 100 yards of any educational institution. So some schools have already complied to that, and in fact even the Department of School Education Department also they say that they have complied, but they have directed all the schools, but the compliance from the school is yet to be checked upon again, okay? And so many big schools, and in fact now even our district nodal officers, we have 4 districts that are very active now. East Khas Hills, we have State Cell, we have West Khas Garo Hills, then we have Ribhoi, then we have West Jingdih and West Garo Hills. And all the respective deputy commissioners are their chairmen of the committees, okay? So they are looking into this program, incorporation of all the laws with the help of the district nodal officer and other departments like tuberculosis department, okay, and NCD clinics. Then we are targeting all these, and now we would like to, actually not only we would like to, we have clubbed even with the Sanjuk Ashram. Okay, and which means it's like a Panchayat Raj in other cities, but here we have different, local darbars and all. So we are working on with them, but we still have a lot of work to do. And but anyway, things are happening, but and all the laws are being laid down. all the groundwork from the government side has been completed. So now we are left with the practical work. Okay? From Deputy Commissioner, from Police Department, from Shillong Municipal Board, we will target Police Bazaar. And once we do that, we expect a lot of media coverage. We will have to walk out with you where we will start chalaning people in Police Bazaar and let that be an illustration to the other districts. So once the signages in Police Bazaar are being hung, we will start chalaning. We can go as a team, but that is our priority now.
There was no institution which displays 100 yards radius institution, and there was no sale of display of no sale of tobacco products within 100 yards of educational institutions. So signages needs to be prepared for educational institutions and displayed as well. And this is for the signage that has to be put up in all the tobacco selling shops, which does not allow them to sell tobacco products to a minor. A minor is 18 years below. So this has to be displayed in all tobacco selling shops. And this is the signage, the 100 yards radius signage, which has to be put up in all schools and colleges, any educational institution. So ever since this study has been conducted, there has been many awareness campaigns that have been conducted through Dr. Lana's effort, and many schools have been conducted not only at state level but also at district level. So I think we would be having positive results regarding these sections very soon. So for section 5, it's about tobacco industry advertisement. It's a very good thing that in our state we have visited 400 tobacco selling shops, and in all those places there was no tobacco advertisement at all in the tobacco selling shops. And then however, in 6.3 of those shops, 6.3% of those total shops visited, a minor was selling tobacco products, and in 46%, almost half of the shops, tobacco products were sold to a minor, and in 65.5%, there was spitting and littering. And then tobacco products like pan masala, cigarettes, and all, they were prominently displayed at the shops. It gives easy access to people who wants to buy tobacco products, especially to an underage fellow who just wants to try it out. And in 82%, there are sale of smokeless tobacco products, and in almost all the tobacco selling shops, they're selling loose tobacco products. Cigarettes, they're selling not in packages but in stick-wise. So we'll move on ahead with section 7. Section 7 is about pictorial health warnings. So the government has imposed under CODPA that 85% of the principal display area of any tobacco products should have a pictorial health warnings. It should have a warning as well as a number to quit. Okay, so it's a good thing that Indian-made cigarettes are compliant to CODPA, all of it, 100% of it, and foreign-made cigarettes, they are 79.3% compliant, and biri products, they are half of it compliant to CODPA. They have the pictorial health warnings. However, on local tobacco products, which are mostly sold in Bara Bazaar and some other roadsides, they are not aware of all these regulations and laws, which is why there is no compliance to tobacco products which are locally available. So we have also conducted an opinion poll to prohibit smoking in public places, and in this we have found out that majority, almost everyone have agreed that no smoking signage, it helps in creating smoke-free environment, and 78.3% of the respondents, they are agreeing to banning smoking in public places.